Let us uncover the must-have essential products in your makeup vanity. So here the first product is your puff and beauty blender. This is very important, which will help you to do your touch-ups, apply your compacts very easily. So this is one of the first miscellaneous product that is must have in your vanity, your beauty blender as well as your puff for your compact touch-up, and beauty blender you can just spray it with your setting spray or a makeup spray and then touch up or correct your under eyes or some of the creases with the beauty blender. So here is these two which are must. Next comes the tissue paper. Here I'm using Momoso's tissue paper, which is really nice and very soft and very compact, easy to carry. This is a dry tissue paper which is used to clean up sweat or oil from your face and then before you do your makeup touch-up, and it's very small and compact and easy to carry. Next product is your Q-tip. You can just take 2 to 3 in a small airtight container. This will help to apply the eyeshadows, lip corrections or lip line corrections, even cleaning your under eyes, your kajal. So this will help you in a lot more ways, so you can carry this. The fourth product is your cotton pads, which are very again easy to touch ups and clear your under eyes, or you can remove your lipstick and reapply if you're using a matte lipstick. So this is very handy and very useful. The fifth product is your wet wipes. It's very important to again clean the surface, clean anything that is just you can wipe everything and then redo it and create it fresh. So wet wipes is very important. You will get a small compact wet wipes just like this. You can carry that. And the sixth product is oil absorb sheets, only if you have a oily skin, and this will help to absorb the complete excess oil from your skin and then keep your makeup fresh and matte. What is that one essential product that is missing in your vanity? Comment below. Follow Self Makeup Mastery for more such tips on building the perfect makeup vanity.